Welcome back to Dark Pool Daily. Let's break down today's market action across SPY, QQQ, and IWM. Starting with SPY, we saw heavy dark pool activity clustered between 647 and 649, including a massive $2.7 billion print at 640. That zone continues to act as the key level institutions are defending. On the options side, flow leaned slightly bearish, with puts outweighing calls, showing some hedging pressure going into the weekend. Moving to QQQ, the biggest dark pool block hit at 575.44, worth over $500 million. We also saw clusters of support and resistance forming between 565 and 577. Option activity was light, with a modest lean toward puts, pointing to cautious positioning even as tech holds near the highs. Finally, IWM showed smaller but notable prints, with 90 million at 237.77 and 79 million at 239.35. Option flow was very light, nearly balanced between calls and puts, suggesting institutions are waiting for clearer direction in the small caps. Now let's take a look at today's biggest individual stock buys outside the indexes. Western Digital led the way with over $1.07 billion in dark pool premium, showing very strong institutional demand. Apple followed with $940 million, continuing to draw steady buying interest. And Coca-Cola saw $590 million in flow, which is unusual for a slower-moving consumer stock and worth keeping an eye on. That's today's recap. If you follow SPY, QQQ, and IWM, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next update. And if you want me to break down levels on a specific ticker, drop it in the comments below and I'll cover it in a future video.